guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, this is Sukriti. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, as the title itself told you, and you are smart enough to guess it because everyone is making video around this topic, and it is my quarantine favorites video. So in this video we'll be talking about a lot of favorite and scary, happy, funny moment that happened in this quarantine period. It's been more than a month, I guess. So yeah, let's begin and tell you all of it. So scary moment. एक दिन क्या हुआ, मैं grocery store से आई थी market से, and उसके बाद I was making videos. तो उसमें मैंने क्या करा, I have an account where I have to post daily. It's some collaboration, so I have to post one video daily on that app. Now for that मैंने सोचा कि मैं एक साथ videos बना के रख लेती हूँ, and in attempt of doing that I put on the mobile tripod and started shooting videos one after the other. And उसमें कुछ नहीं करना था, I was giving product reviews and talking a lot continuously. तो उससे क्या हुआ, I started feeling short of breath. Yeah, so I went short of breath and मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा सांस लेने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होने लगी. Then I thought like कि maybe I'll drink water. मैंने बहुत देर से पानी नहीं पिया है. 2-3 घंटे से I'm like speaking non-stop and shooting videos one after the other. तो मैंने सोचा कि अब मैं पानी पी लेती हूँ. And then I was like कि ठीक हो जाएगा. And मेरे को इतना सा भी हिंट नहीं था कि मेरे दिमाग में ये चीज़ आएगी. अचानक से जब मैं खाना बना रही थी and मेरे को तब भी थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लग रहा था क्योंकि I just spoke a lot and that happened because of that. So एकदम से I got this hit my mind that कोरोना का symptom होता है ये, and like I was like this is the symptom that one of the symptoms that the virus has. I like tried to put together myself and act all hard. I thought of calling someone and I was like कि क्या पता ना हो ऐसा, and then they'll all get worried and see me crying. So I was like searching on mobile and I was like really scared. I really could have shitted in my pants. I was that scared. I was that sad. So maybe sad, scary दोनों यही होंगी. Yeah, that happened. But thankfully guys, I'm perfectly fine. I'm perfectly fine. And वो चीज़ भी थोड़ी देर में ठीक हो गई थी. I don't know तब ऐसा क्यों हुआ था. Maybe some anxiety thing occurring or something like that. I don't know. But I cried like anything. I was like, yeah, I'm gone. So yes, let's begin with my beauty favorites. Or there's nothing like beauty favorites अब क्योंकि सब घर में है तो मेकअप तो करना ही क्यों है. And like I did it for the camera because I'm shooting videos, but most of the people are not, so they don't really need to look that presentable. Because अगर मेरी ऑफिस की calls होती हैं कुछ भी होता है तो I'm like yes, tell me, go on. Okay, I'm like bare face completely and looking while in home looking completely homeless. That was a very bad joke, but it's true. It's funny cause it's true, girl. But still, we can talk rather about, because I don't want you to, want to compel you into buying some products as of now for makeup and cosmetics related. So I'll rather move to skincare part. Now for that also, you can do everything from your kitchen. Get it? Okay. So my holy grails for skincare are besan, oil. I have it here. So almond oil, this is what I use before sleeping, and yeah, I pretty much apply a moisturizer after bathing. That is from Vaseline. I have one. So yeah, almond oil, curd for face packs, besan for face packs, tomato juice, the leftover tomato or anything on my hands and everywhere for keeping it supple. Yeah, what else? Yeah, this is it. Also, yeah, aloe vera and Boroline. Boroline is like the best thing. I apply it daily so that my lips don't get chapped, because even I wouldn't like to look at myself like that, even when I know no one is looking at me and I'm at home. You get me? Yeah, face sheet mask till the time I am not running out of them. बिकॉज अच्छा लगता है यार फेस शीट मास्क लगा के, वरना बेसन दही लगानी पड़ती है, बट अब उसमें भी खुश हूँ, नॉट कंप्लेनिंग. So now let's talk about home products. So home products में I would say like air fryer. I am so glad I have air fryer right now in my kitchen. I cannot tell you, like air fryer is the best. I can eat all the tala bhula khana that I want to without taloing and bhunoing it, without frying it basically. So it's like the best. I use air fryer a lot, more than I use my gas, because I don't like roti sabji. I'm not really fond of eating roti sabji all the 3 times. But I love bread. I can eat it in different ways throughout the day that I'll be happy with. So that's why air fryer. I'm thankful for the TV that we have in our house. I'm really thankful for that TV as well. Now let's talk about food. So in food, first of all, I would like to show you this. I don't really want to promote it, but this cheese spread is so yum, so yum, so yum. I love it. This is 4 pepper go cheese spread from Parag Milk Foods. Yeah, but this is yum. So all that I'm eating is really true, stands true for the meme that is going on. Like क्या कुछ ऐसे है कि दुनिया से कोरोना को खत्म करना है मैदा और समथिंग को नहीं. तो हाँ, तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि मेरे लिए बना है वो, बिकॉज ऑल दैट आई एम डूइंग इज ईटिंग छोले भटूरे, cheese, some more of cheese and some more of cheese. Like I have 3 varieties: cheese slices, cheese spread, and the cheddar cheese, or mozzarella cheese ka mixture something. And I'm eating a lot of bread, lot of it, mayo and paneer, of course, dairy products in any form but milk primarily now, then corns, and coconut powder, using it in sabjis for making Thai curry and everything, and aloo ka paratha, of course, and butter. I love toasted buttered toast. I love buttered toast. So yeah, that is also there on my list. That is what I do all day, every day. That is what my food eating habits are right now. I don't regret it. Maybe I will when I'll have a bulging tummy after this lockdown, and people will really start mentioning it on my face. And for food, oranges. Yes, I'm eating a lot of oranges. जब भी मुझे लगता है कि मेरे पास काम ज़्यादा है और बनाने का टाइम नहीं है, so I eat 2-3 oranges in a go. और तब भी मेरा पेट नहीं भरता. अभी मेरी appetite बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ती जा रही है, जबकि मैं कुछ कर भी नहीं रही हूँ movement body में खास. So yeah. Now for the movies, I have watched a lot of movies. If you would ask me for series, I can't really recommend any. But yes, I did finish 4 More Shots Please, the new season of it, as and when it came, like the other day. So it released on 16th, I guess. So I watched it on 17th, and pura raat. Now this kind of sheer dedication that मतलब मैं किसी series या movie को दे रही हूँ, तो it's like a big thing. And for movies, I am a lot into watching movies that are related to self-love, or the ones that are really light-hearted romantic comedies like rom-coms, or something light-hearted. I'm not into watching really complex movies, because every other day I'm doing some of the office work or using my brains in something or the other, so I don't really want to utilize my brain in watching. I really love watching no-brainer movies actually, and especially during this time. So I love the self-care, self-love, something like that, and for people who are single, sort of those kind of movies, and romantic movies as well. So the movies that I have watched in this quarantine, so Netflix what I watched, Isn't It Romantic? I loved it. It had a really nice message. You should watch it. Then Love Springs Eternal, I watched it on Prime. It will make you value your life and your friends way more than you already do. That is also a good watch. Now apart from that, I watched a movie yesterday which was Blockers or something like that, and it was really funny. It was basically how parents get insecure when their kids get all grown up and have their prom night. So it was all based on that ki, the dilemma that parents go through and the obstructions that they create in the child's life, and how they resolve it all basically. So it was about that. And yeah, I watched a documentary sort of a film too one day, which was डिप्रेसिंग बट एनलाइटनिंग. उससे काफ़ी चीज़ें पता चली कि अच्छा ऐसा इसलिए होता है. I watched a documentary sort of a movie which was named Liberated. It is on Netflix, and I was taken aback. I was shocked. Like what guys talk about, what girls think, what is happening in the world, why is it happening, why we behave and react to relationships or sex in the way we do. So, yeah. For some time I was really thinking about everything that was shown there, and it's real. So you can go watch it if you can handle it, if you're ready to handle the truth. The favorite ones, then I'll say shooting videos, watching Netflix, if that counts in as an activity. Binge watching. Binge watch वैसे मैं करती नहीं हूँ. So it's like every day I watch just a movie that is say 1.5 hours or 2 hours long. That is it. I don't really binge watch. But if I talk about the activities, real activities that are consuming most of the time in my life, then it's bartan, pocha, jharu, और पोछा भी वो वाला नहीं. Like I have that पूरा वो डंडे से करने वाला जो होता है. But I really like to go desi, use that kapda and every nook and corner, sliding my hand right there to the corners to clean the space. थोड़ी exercise भी हो जाती है. Okay, now let's talk about songs. I am really excited to talk about it because the songs that I'm hearing the most. So at the start, like when the lockdown started, I was obsessed with the song Kudi Nu Nachne De, and now I'm more into. I've always loved Dua Lipa's playlist and Billy's playlist. Now there's this so all the songs that are there, I love all of them, and they are like I hear those songs a lot. So it's like Billy Ka Everything I Wanted, Bad Guy, Ocean Eyes, and Dua Lipa too is like every song. And there's this artist Bene, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So her super lonely. It's not super lonely, it's super lonely. And Want Me Back. These two I really like. And apart from that, Do You Love Me? Dun, 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 dun. I like that song too. And Aat Parche, that is what I hear up in. One song that I really like, I guess even more than the original version, is Tum Mile. There's this singer, so the song goes like Tum Mile, Dil Khile, aur jeene ko kya chahiye. So this is the song. I know I'm not good at singing, but yeah, just to remind you I sang that, and also because I wanted to, hum. So it's the singer is Pranay Bahuguna, ya if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But if you'll type even Tum Mile in the search results में आ जाएगा, or you type Tum Mile by Pranay तो आ जाएगा. And it's so well sung. You all should listen to it. I hear it a lot. Songs that are there in Guilty, yeah, Guilty is also one suggestion that I can give you guys. Yeah, Netflix पर it is amazing. So उसका song रहने दो ना, सिरहाने हमें तन्हा हमें. हाँ, it's really nice. It's like I really want to sing it. Let me. तुम वो नहीं आदत थी जिसकी हमें, तुम नहीं वो आदत थी जिसकी हमें, क्यों तुझसे मिलाने हमें रहने दो ना सिरहाने हमें. So these songs, the whole playlist, it's nice. Talk about influencers. For sure, Dolly the most. Then there's this handle Hi Sukriti. She has been an RJ earlier. Now she's working with IDIGA. I love her videos, especially the one that had people who are staying alone versus who are staying with family. It was really funny. Go watch it on her Instagram handle. And Dolly for Goody Bhabhi for creating so much content, and all the family related content like the Papa and all the videos on Insta that go by the title like our documentary something. So I love Dolly. She's such a nice person and she's so funny. So yeah, and the other person is these two. So let's talk about a fun moment. Fun moment is so these balconies that we have. So society के सारे जो बच्चे हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो गए हैं. So what they do is they start making sounds, hello, hi, hello, this, that, from their balconies. I don't even know कहाँ से वो आवाज़ें आती हैं, कौन से फ्लोर पे क्या बच्चा है, कौन सी सोसाइटी का है, हमारी वाली या सामने वाली. But then ऐसे I was getting bored one day. तो we both talked a lot. That kid was asking me something, then I was answering, then it was like a conversation going on. We were yelling balconies, but so yeah, that was funny and entertaining. I liked it. Then also that Diya task that Modi ji gave. उसमें भी there was a lot of humming and a lot of shore and noise like go Corona, go Corona, go, and yeah, but it was beautiful too. The hours all. It was the only time when I used to see everyone out balconies mein, and then I used to get to see faces. Now I can't. Do you know how bad this feels? Happy moment. Now this happy moment is really small for some of you and you'll find it irrelevant, but it is like सच्ची में the happiest moment for me till now. So I was working पूरे दिन office days में weekdays में I'm doing this office work or morning till evening. And this Friday I was getting so confused about my life, what I'm doing, why I'm doing, and what will happen ahead, what should I do next, this and that. I was like, my mind was puzzled, and I lost count of the days. So I had a con call in the evening. Or maybe a normal call with my manager. There was no one else. So there she said, okay, we'll discuss this on Monday. And I was like, why not tomorrow? And she said, मैंने कहा, oh, because is it Saturday already? And she was like, yes. And I was like, I literally, I should have not behaved like that, but I literally couldn't control. And I was like, oh my god, I didn't remember. And मतलब मैं फैल गई पूरा उसके सामने कि I'm so happy weekend, happy ये, happy वो, and like, yeah. Now let's talk about my favorite apps, the new apps. So Netflix for obvious reasons is my favorite app nowadays. Now the favorite apps have to be Simple Habit. Simple Habit is for meditation. You also can download it. Down Dog is for yoga. They charge a lot. This is one of the best top apps for yoga. But now they are till May. Maybe they can extend the timeline. So till May 2nd, they are providing it for free. So yeah, it's free for yoga and for meditation we have done, and then it's Netflix. Yeah, pretty much that is it. And Instagram for obvious reasons again. So yeah, that. So yes, I was saying I love wearing dresses, plazos and shorts. The one like this one that I'm wearing right now. You can see only this much. But I'm being so honest. I showed you what I'm wearing. In reality, the whole of my OOTG. Anyway, so plazos, skirts and plazos, shorts and dresses that are baggy or airy. So I love that, and that is what my favorite clothing. So let me know in the comments which part of the video was your most favorite. And yeah, I'll see you next time very soon with a new video. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments and I shall make a video on it. Yeah, let's meet soon with another video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.